What's up?
That thing's cool. I love those wheels.
Yeah, they're nice until you have to clean them.
Yeah,
they're so dirty right now too.
You got like your legs on.
no, I'm the only one here in full gear. This guy's got fucking tennis shoes on.
Hey, we don't talk about that.
Dude, can you yell at these guys, please?
He's the only one that I can yell at. Well, I guess I can yell at him a little bit.
Yo, hey, put some full gear on, you guys.
You're not my dad.
Dump your bike one time and you will be having full gear on, you guys.
Well, fucking expensive.
Yeah, you can't afford it in this economy.
I can't afford it. I got all my money wrapped up in my bike.
I said we're a pretty safe group for the most part.
Yeah, fucking Blaine.
Except for Blaine.
Fucking losing 2 a month, so.
I know. It's a bad rate at this point. Oh, you can make this so much louder. There's the decibel deleters in there.
Already loud as fuck.
You can make it louder though. It would sound better.
It already like hurts my head.
Really?
Yes.
The wind hurts my head more. Woo-hoo. Some nice trails for the day. Jump it! Oh, never mind. Cop! We got a cop! Cop senses were tingling. I felt it in my funny bones. I felt like, oh, what is this? They have redone this. What in the world? They put a freaking roundabout here. This is nice.
Get a ZX6.
I don't know. That's like the social media influencer bike is a ZX6. That's my only issue with that. I don't want to be that guy. This person's gas cap's open, but I'm not going to be that biker. I'm not going to be that biker that's like, oh my gosh, let me get your gas cap for you. I'm such a nice biker. When he's all doing it for views. Not me, bucko. I don't do anything for views. I'm not a YouTube simp. Dude, the sound of downshifting is just twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay, I'm done. No cops for me. Taco Bell on the bike. Nice. That's me. Thanks, you too. The heck do I do this? Nice. Let's see if I make it back without dropping everything. Guys, I'm expecting. It's not what you think. It's a baby Taco Bell. Taco Bell, Taco Bell, Taco Bell. Let's see if we did it. I think it made it. Nice. Pipe down exhaust. It is 9 o'clock. You know, having a loud exhaust is great until you have neighbors. And then it's like, every time you start it in the morning, you're just like pissing off all your neighbors. One neighbor came over one day, he's like, so you guys got a lot of toys? And he's like, that bike looks pretty powerful. And I'm like, oh yeah, it is, kinda. And he goes, yeah, I hear it start up every morning. I'm like, bruh, chill, it's not that loud.